fast is going.
You've murdered my children.
Oh my god, this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Let's corner him in this room. Oh, no, we can't because he can shoot through the windows. So we'll just have to hunt down.
Well, he's...
Oh, here he comes. Let's go.
Go.
Get him, boys.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
And that's how it's done.
Gosh, grab it while you can, lad. It's raining money.
I'm shitting potatoes.
It's raining money. Loads of money. Okay, cash here. Someone grab it. Here's some cash, guys. Someone take it. Loads of money.